In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use shared password folders in LastPass. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a shared folder so your team or family can securely access the same logins without passing credentials around. First, open your LastPass vault. You can do this in a browser by going to the LastPass site and signing into your vault, or by opening the LastPass app if you prefer that view. If you're prompted for multi-factor authentication, complete it as usual. Once you're inside the vault, you'll see your saved items and a navigation panel on the left. Next, look to the left side and click Sharing Center. This is the hub where you manage everything related to sharing in LastPass. It's designed to keep shared access centralized so you don't have to adjust permissions on individual items later. If you don't see the Sharing Center right away, make sure you're in the Vault view and that your account type supports sharing features. Inside the Sharing Center, click Manage Shared Folders. This is where new shared folders are created and existing ones are listed. In the bottom right corner, you'll see a plus button. Go ahead and click the plus sign to start a new shared folder. This opens a simple creation window. Now, type in a clear descriptive name for your shared folder, then click Add. Choose a name that makes it obvious what belongs inside. Think Project X, marketing logins, or family streaming accounts. Good naming helps keep your vault organized as your list of shared items grows. After you click Add, the folder is created immediately and will appear in your list of shared folders and in your vault's folder sidebar. That's it for creating the folder. From here, the shared folder acts like any other folder in your vault, but it's built for collaboration. You'll be able to place relevant passwords inside so they live in one secure location. If you're on a business plan, you may see options for role-based access and restrictions. Keep in mind those controls exist, but we're focusing just on creating the folder right now. If something doesn't look right, a quick refresh of the Vault view typically makes the new folder appear. To recap, open your LastPass Vault, go to the Sharing Center on the left, choose Manage Shared Folders, click the plus button, name your folder, and click Add. With that, you've set the foundation for secure, organized password sharing in LastPass.